Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing very well. Today I was flying the Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K. I have to tell you guys, this is an amazing drone. I was trying to see if I could get some good shots of the sunset. I believe you can see the sunset right behind me. And it's just another great afternoon here in North Carolina, specifically Lake Norman, North Carolina. So it's just amazing. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about this drone. The drone, it's amazing. I mean, it just flies so good. And I can't believe people don't give a chance to this drone. I know we get into the name brand stuff, such as the DJI, and we don't give any like opportunities to the other companies. We need to create competition. That's the beauty of the capitalism. Create competition. But anyways, at least I give in and I bought the drone myself, and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying every single minute of it. And I bought some ND filters, and the ND filters tend to be working very well for this drone. So I just love it. And then we have this amazing sunset right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see it. It may be overexposed. It's just great. I love it. But anyways, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this drone. And I'm shooting everything with the Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Pocket. Seems to be working okay. It may be a little bit jittery because of my hand is not as steady, but let's see how it comes out. I greatly appreciate your time and you watching my videos. It means a lot to me. It means so much to me. So, and I'm going to end this shot to see if you guys can see this amazing sunset. Let me see right here. It's just great. I don't think it's gonna be in the camera. All right, guys, have a good one. See you in the next one.